in depth of this integrated approach. So product process system, always when you are going to design, your product design must be, not should be, it must be environmentally benign products. You should not threaten, you should not, cause, harm to the environment. I'll come to that. What exactly, what we are doing nowadays, I'll come to that, just to give me a few seconds. And at the same time, process. Okay, you designed something, you are about to manufacturing, you started manufacturing, you have raw materials, you have tools, you have other fixers, of course. And indirectly, directly, what is going on? If you are not taking out that 6Rs policy or that philosophy while you are designing your product, so definitely the emissions, carbon dioxide, carbon emissions will be going up. That's why. So when we are integrating these designs with that manufacturing information systems, definitely those designs or the policies, whatever we are using, it's energy efficient and zero waste manufacturing systems, you can think about. To support this, I'm bringing here, so far I didn't talk about this DFX. DFX stands for Design for X. If you start, just this is a sample list, an example, in order we to say an integrated approach. DFE, some of you who did the product design and development, not now, previously also, or what you are practicing or following within the industry. Design for environment, design for manufacturing and assembly, design for maintenance, design for disassembly, design for reliability, design for quality, and so on. And if you may get a doubt, oh, when I'm designing the product, is it necessary for me to focus on all these? Yes, answer is yes. That's why we are talking about it's an integrated approach. It is a holistic approach. One time at the beginning, if we are focusing on this, so whatever the manufacturing activity, whatever the manufacturing system we are talking about, fall under sustainable manufacturing system or the sustainable product design. The name you call out, always it is a sustainable once if you are implementing these policies or the philosophy, what we are talking about here.